Hello guys, today I'm going to explain everything related with unit number 8 and the activities for this week. So I hope this will be clear, so pay attention and follow the 3 activities we have to accomplish with. So first of all, we have here activity units number 8. This is the final activity we have to work with. Yeah, so if we click here, yeah, this is just an example in 7th grade A, but 7th grade A, B, and C are the same. Yeah, so we click here, and this is the home page of the challenges for this week. It is simple past and past continuous plus PET. Remember that I said that PET is the first and most important test for 7th and 8th graders. It is the preliminary English test. So here we have some efforts, some missions for this project: to read everything carefully and finish all the activities all the time, to get to know what PET is, to cope with PET, the reading part 1, and to be creative all the time and respect the deadlines. So if we go to the challenge 1, here we have a video. Yeah. So what about what PET is? So
hello and welcome to the first installment of the Grasshopper Cambridge exams videos. These videos will
here you have to watch the video, and then you have a video number 2, which is about part number 1 of the preliminary English test. Yeah. So this is video number 2, and here principally is this. Part number 1 of reading of this test is the following. Yeah, here you have an ad, un letrero, and here you have 3 options. So what is this message about? Is it about A? Is it about B? Or about C? For instance, here it says, Vicky's mom says we can have a stopover at my house tonight. Sleepover. Come straight from school. I'm cooking dinner for us. How cool is that? See you, Petra. What is the principal difficulty of these exercises is that English is really, wow, power English. It's not easy. So you have to be careful, but I'm sure you could do it. So this is worksheet number 4, and in worksheet number 4 you have to write your email address, your last name, your first name, here your grade, and here you have an example. This is an example. Here you have a message from Andy to Julia, and here the correct answer is A. Yeah, hello Julia, I can have Friday off to go sailing. I'm still available on both Saturday and Sunday, but Saturday is better. Let me know what is best for you, Andy. So the correct answer is Andy would prefer to go sailing with Julia on Saturday rather on Sunday. So here you have number 1, and here you have to read this carefully, and then deciding that the note we have here, the note tells Sarah she. What has she, what is the principal, what is the correct message? The note says that Sarah, she can buy new games now at a special price. She can get new and used games at the current sale, or she can sell her used games to the shop. There is only one correct answer, so you choose A, B, or C. Yeah. So here you have number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Part number 1 in the test is always 5 exercises. So you finish this and you submit. You send it to me. This is challenge number 1. And here we have challenge number 2. Challenge number 2, once again, a video. And this video about part number 1.
In this video, we will look at how
an example of what is part number 1, so you have to watch it. Yeah, watch the video. It is an example, And then you go to part worksheet number 5. Once again, you write your email, then you write your name, your last name, your first name, your grade, and then once again, here you have an ad, un pequeño letrerito, and here you have alternative A, B, or C. I'm going to read. Look at the text in next question. What does it say? Mark letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. So, all stuff. This restaurant is closed for building works. The cafe on level 3 is serving hot meals until we open again in March. So, the correct answer is C. Hot meals are temporarily available in the cafe. I say again, this is not easy, it is difficult, but I'm sure you can get 1 point or 2 points. And, well, if you get the 5 points, very good for you. So you have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So you finish all of these exercises and you submit, you send it to me. Then we have challenge number 3, and this is worksheet number 7, once again. And here we have something we have already seen in our session, and this is taken from your book. Yeah. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ads, and you have to tell me. Which notice says this? Adults only. So, is this one? Is that A? Please phone for more details. Is that correct or not? Or B? Museum free to children under 9. Is that the correct one? Or you have to be over 18 to watch this film. Is that the correct one? Please don't park in front of our shop. Is that the correct one or not? Opening hours 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Is that the correct? Well, you have to analyze. Then, dangerous deep waters, keep out. Well, then letter G, close on Saturdays. And letter H, parking £2 per hour. Obviously, if you have this, you have to read adults only, and then some people have already discovered that letter C is the correct. So here you have the notice. Yeah, you don't have to pay. If you are 8, then you should not leave your car here. So which one is correct? So you finish and you submit. And finally, we have grammar 1. And here we have the content, simple past continuous. You watch the video.
The past simple, like I did. You use.
What is important, guys, is that you watch the complete video, not only one part. Yeah, this is very important. Yeah, and here we have 5 exercises. This is 1. Yeah, so here you click on the correct answer. This is the second. You have to write here complete answer, so you have some examples here. Then we have the third one, we have the fourth one, yeah, here. So here we have to select which is the correct one, and the final one. Yeah, what is important is that you have to take notes about your score. Debes tomar nota de tus puntajes. Sí. ¿Ya? Entonces, ¿qué es lo que es lo importante? Y esto lo voy a decir en Spanish, muchachos, es que tú puedes hacer todos estos ejercicios al mismo tiempo y así vas rellenando tu puntaje acá. O sea, en el number 1, ¿cuánto puntaje obtuviste? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tú pones ahí, ¿ya? Y lo mandas, ¿ya? Pero si tú quieres hacer esto a las 5 de la tarde, esto al otro día, estos 2 al otro día en la mañana y estos 2 al otro día en la tarde, esto no lo puedes mandar al tiro. Entonces, ¿qué es lo que te aconsejo yo? My suggestion, ya, mi consejo es que tú hagas estos ejercicios, lo hagas y al final anotes en una página, puede ser de Google, en un Google Doc o en una hoja de papel. Anotes tu puntaje. ¿Cuánto puntaje de 16 sacaste? Y cuando termines, when you finish exercise number 1, por ejemplo, lo haces hoy día, estos 2 lo haces mañana, number 2, number 3, number 4 and 5 los terminas en la tarde, tú cuando termines en la tarde, pescas tu papelito o vas a tu archivo de Google Doc y pones el puntaje. Ya. ¿Cuál es lo importante acá, muchachos? Honesty. Esto no es con nota, estos son ejercicios que me indican a mí y te indican a ti si tú tienes un progress, si el progress va así, or if the progress is going like this, or if the progress is always going down or up. Esto es para manejar nuestro progreso. These are the activities for the classwork, ¿ya? Insisto, esto del PET, Preliminary English Test, que es el primer test internacional de inglés, no es fácil, por lo tanto nos va a costar. Pero acuérdate de tus clases del año pasado del laboratorio cuando tuvimos exámenes KET, pedazos de exámenes KET, que no era fácil al principio, a todos les iba mal, pero ustedes pudieron y lo pudieron hacer bien, ¿ya? Otra cosa importante también, tenemos acá nuestro Cambridge, ¿ya? Y tenemos acá abierta, Unit number 7 is open. Unit number 8 is open too, ¿ya? So you have to go into the activities which are open, ¿ya? What is the deadline? Tenemos un deadline. Tenemos que completar esto antes de el próximo fin de semana. Why? ¿Por qué? Porque vamos a terminar la unidad y vamos a empezar la unit number 9, ¿ya? Así que, muchachos, queridos muchachos, dear guys, so please finish your activities on time and, well, if you have a problem, if you have a doubt, if you are in danger, so please send a message to me and I will answer all the questions. Remember, full connection, connection teacher, student, and we will succeed. Vamos a tener éxito. We will succeed in this school year 2020. The strangest school year ever. ¿Ya? Así que muchachos, a trabajar y por favor, cualquier cosa, comunicarse conmigo. Cualquier cosa vía chat. ¿Ya? Así que súper y nos vemos.